Hi, this is Jared with BlackRock Underground. Today's date is February 27, 2026. Doing a post-sanitary sewer inspection at the property address of 1833 D Street in Forest Grove, Oregon. Going to be entering the newly installed two-way ABS cleanout on the side of the home. Here's the crawl space, and then here's the cleanout. I currently have water running. When I get down to the bottom of the cleanout, I'm going to zero the foot counter. Now we'll continue. Here we are in the newly installed 4-inch ABS. At this point, we transition to 4-inch HDPE. At this point, we transition to PVC 4-inch, and then here we are at the parting main, and then here we are at the end of our repair. I'm going to pause the video, let the water drain, and then we'll pull back. Now that I let the water drain, we'll start pulling back. Here we are at the end of repair. This is 4-inch PVC with the clean out at edge property, back into HDPE. Here we are in the 4-inch ABS, and then here we are coming back out to clean out. Here we are back outside the clean out. This is 4-inch ABS two-way on the side of the home. This inspection was done with the rigid push cam. Everything is in working order. This is going to conclude my video. Thank you.